Hello, my name is Twilo Portis and welcome to the TLC experience. I am so excited that you decided to take the journey with us. Ladies and gentlemen, at age 50, I can tell you that I have never felt better. It has everything to do with the amazing products that we offer here at Total Life Changes. You're gonna have an opportunity to hear all about them. Through product knowledge, you're gonna hear about the lifestyle, you're gonna hear about what we have in the products, the content, everything that you need to know to have an amazing result. Guys, you're gonna hear it from some of our amazing leaders and business partners. So I want you to take the journey with us. I believe that you're gonna have an incredible experience. And so again, welcome, and I'm gonna tell you congratulations in advance.
Welcome to the TLC experience. My name is Candice Bird Davis, and I am super excited that you decided to take a look at our all-natural organic solution kit. You are not just looking to lose weight, but you're also looking to gain health. Well, we have the kit that is perfect for you. With a 100% money-back guarantee, these all-natural organic products are going to allow you to lose 2 to 3 pounds a day without working out. Now, in this kit, we have our all-natural organic detox tea. This particular tea, just drinking 2 8-ounce glasses a day, is gonna pack you with 9 essential herbs. It's gonna flush your body of toxins and parasites. It's gonna rid your body of the intestinal sludge. Anytime that you're looking to lose weight, it's always best to jumpstart your journey with a detox. Now, most of our customers are reporting that they are losing at least 5 pounds in 5 days on this tea. But it's not just a weight loss tea, it's also a detox tea. So you're gonna notice that there are 26 noted benefits. You're gonna have more energy, you're gonna sleep better, and naturally you're going to feel better. That's where the health comes into your weight loss journey. Now also, we have a power pack liquid vitamin called NutraBurst. I remember the days when I was trying to get healthy and I was shopping in the big box vitamin retailers and I just couldn't find the vitamin perfect for me. As I did my research, I found out that the capsule vitamins literally was flushing 80% of that vitamin out of my body and it was only absorbing 20%. So I was wasting a lot of money and a lot of product. Well, this all liquid natural vitamin called NutraBurst has a 98% absorption rate. So on your journey to not just weight loss, but also health, you're gonna pack your body with 72 minerals, 19 amino acids, 22 fruits and vegetables, and 13 whole grains. That's code for literally 1 tablespoonful a day is gonna be equivalent to eating 10 green salads. You're gonna notice that you're overall gonna feel better. You're gonna get a burst of energy that's gonna kick in first thing in the morning and last throughout the day. Now, as we continue on to the weight loss portion of your health and weight loss journey, we have a power pack product called Resolution 20. We have that solution for that New Year's resolution, even if you didn't get to complete it yet. This particular product here, we refer to it as gastric bypass in a bottle. Can you imagine putting 10 drops underneath your tongue, only 3 times a day, about a half hour before you eat? Pair it with our 1,200 calorie a day meal plan that we're going to give you. It's literally gonna cut off your appetite, kill your cravings for carbs, sugars, and salty foods. But the best part is, ladies and gentlemen, you're gonna lose 2 to 3 pounds per day on this natural homeopathic product. So if you're ready to take your weight loss and your health serious, get back to the person who shared this video with you. Let them know the solution kit is for you. I want to welcome you to a TLC experience, and I'm super excited to celebrate you on your weight loss journey too.
Guys, I'm excited for your transformation on the solution kit. I just want to answer a couple questions that people ask all the time when they get started on this experience with the solution kit. And the first question people always ask me is, do I have to work out to actually lose the weight? And I'm going to give you an answer that you're probably going to like. I actually don't recommend that you work out too much on this kit. And the reason why that is that you're only consuming a 1,200 calorie meal plan. And because you're only consuming 1,200 calories, if you burn too many calories, you actually will stall yourself from actually losing the weight. And I also want to make for sure that you are taking a full 1,200 calorie meal plan every single day. A lot of people like to skip meals and different things like that. It's very important that you hit that 1,200 calories every single day. Do you have to work out? No, you do not. I actually don't even recommend it. And you can lose up to 1 to 2 pounds on a solution kit if you stay consistent, follow the instructions. On the how-to video, you will find out just what you have to do to get the best results on a solution kit.
Hey guys, Keely Taylor here, and welcome to your TLC experience. I'm super excited for your journey to begin on our solution kit where you can lose up to 1 to 3 pounds a day. Now you probably have your kit in your hands, or maybe it's on the way and you want to know, how do I use these absolutely amazing products? Guys, with your NutraBurst, you definitely want to make sure that you stick it in your refrigerator. Every morning, you want to take 1 tablespoon. Okay, right after you take your NutraBurst, you want to pour an 8-ounce glass of our Iaso Tea. Okay, once you have consumed both those products, you want to wait 15 minutes before you do your resolution drops. So then you'll get your resolution drops. You want to put 10 drops under your tongue for 30 seconds and then you swallow. You want to make sure that now you're going to wait another 15 minutes to eat or drink, because you need to make sure that the resolution drops are getting in your capillaries and absorbing so you can get the most out of your products. Now guys, the resolution drops you will use before your breakfast, your lunch, and your dinner. The tea, you are going to make sure that you drink another 8 ounce, whether you want to drink it at lunch or dinner. So that way you get your 2 8-ounce glasses in a day. Guys, I am super excited to see your journey here with the Solution Kit and watch you lose 1 to 3 pounds a day.